Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell XRP in Xaman Wallet. So let's get straight into it. The first thing is you need to open up the app and have the account. Now check out how to set up Xaman Wallet in my other video which I made, especially for this, how you can set up your wallet. Now what you need to do is here at the bottom middle, you will see this blue button and click on that. And right here, you will see some options. So you can MoonPay buy or buy sell XRP. So let's check this first one, MoonPay. So what's the catch here? You need like this. You will need the minimum order is 14 XRPs or 13.259. Now like so, sorry, like that. And when you are ready with that, just continue it with XRP. And here you will put in your email, or you can use Apple right here, as you can see, and then just follow the procedure. It will drive you step by step that you can't make a mistake. Then the next option is buy sell XRP. So right here you have more options, as you can see, MoonPay, as I showed you. Then you have BTC Direct, Topper, BenX, BenX, Xolix, and so on. So check out this and take a closer look which one is more suitable for you. And for the last one we have Swap. This one is just that you can swap currency to currency, and yeah, this is basically it, how you can buy XRP in Xaman Wallet. Then you can also just transfer it from another wallet to this Xaman wallet, which I showed earlier how to withdraw in previous video, so you can also check this out. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.